Welcome to the fine art of mixing drinks. This week, we're doing a pink pineapple. Pretty simple one. This is going to be like a 30-second video. Pop, pop, pop! But that does mean that you'll be able to make this drink in a hurry. 3 ingredients. Starting off, we have 1 part grenadine. That's what makes it pink, I'm assuming. Next, we have 2 parts pineapple. Since we used the tiny part of the jigger, we can just use the tall part for the double 2, because the tall is the same as 2 of the small. Just the 1 part, or 2 parts. Ugh, gosh. Next up, whoa, 6 parts gin. We're going to use 3 of the tall boys. This is why I started off with the small end, because you don't want to have a drink that's 6 of these. Unless it's the only drink you're having for the next week. Like 3 of these is still kind of a lot. Then we'll add some ice. Then you shake it up. Also, I love the idea of someone like, it's friggin' pineapple juice with red, like, and gin. It's pink and it's pineapple. It's a pink pineapple.
Original.
Pretty lazy naming. Now, it doesn't say anything about this in the book, but what I would do if I had a pineapple is I would take a slice of pineapple and put it on the edge of the glass to look fancy.
Garnish.
Garnish. Here we go.
It's pretty.
It's pretty. It's like perfect in a pint glass. That looks really nice. Very cool. Smells good. Smell it.
Oh heck.
Smells good. Does it not taste like anything?
No, it's pretty good. It's not bad, but it's not something I would want to drink.
I actually quite like it. The gin mixes surprisingly well with the flavor of the pineapple, I think. Like,
yeah, it's just kind of sweet.
yeah, it's quite sweet if you're not into sweetness. I wasn't sure with, like, it's way more gin than the other stuff, so I wasn't sure how much it would carry, but it's very good. This is a garbage dog. Anyway, like and subscribe. Try this out if you want to have a pink, a little, do you want to look at this pink thing? Oh, so
What is it? Pink pineapple.
Pink pineapple. Anyways, like and subscribe. Have a good day, buttons.